A laptop's build quality is one of the most important factors to consider when purchasing one. It will help you to determine how well the device will survive daily wear and tear, as well as any occasional faults that might result in serious damage. Although rugged laptops ensure extreme protection, they look bulky and often weigh too much, making them hard to carry around. Thin and light laptops, however, feel super light and are travel friendly, but the downside is they feel flimsy and less durable. So how will one find a well-balanced laptop that provides both lightweight and durability? Feast your eyes with the Blackview Acebook One, a well-built yet lightweight laptop that also happens to have premium-sounding built-in speakers. Without much delay, let's see what this laptop is truly capable of. Acebook One features an aluminum alloy unibody chassis that is durable and holds onto that premium wow factor really well. In addition, each and every section of the body is precisely crafted, keeping the weight down to only 1.3 kilograms and making it easier for you to carry around. The next amazing thing about this laptop is its dual box speakers that are capable of pumping out a solid and symmetrical sound. So whether you watch movies, enjoying TV shows, and participate in online meetings, these speakers are capable of making your listening experience engaging, immersive, and crystal clear. Moving on to the ports, this laptop has a sufficient amount of them. On the left I/O, it incorporates a USB-C, HDMI, and USB 3.0 port. And on the other side, it has two additional USB connections along with a micro SD card reader and a headphone jack. The 14-inch display, on the other hand, has a native resolution of 1080p and maintains an 84% screen-to-body ratio, providing you with more screen real estate. Overall, screen contents appear vibrant and widely visible through it. Under the hood, this laptop is equipped with an Intel Gemini Lake N4120 processor that handles moderate tasks quite well. It is a 4-core and 4-thread processor that has just the right amount of performance to carry out your daily tasks. Moreover, the 4GB of DDR4 RAM and 128GB of SSD storage ensure your programs run fast and storage even faster. You can also get the 256GB SSD variant if you require more storage. Battery life is also remarkable, as you can enjoy up to 10 hours of web browsing, 8 hours of video playback, and 21 hours of screen standby, all thanks to its 45.6 watt-hour battery. As for any laptop user, the touchpad is a thing of concern. Acebook One has been equipped with a big 6.1-inch precision touchpad that makes navigation feel smooth and fluid. The bigger space actually helps to navigate better and is indeed pretty responsive. To sum things up, Acebook One is a well put together laptop. The build quality is amazing, the overall design is top notch, and the laptop itself is surprisingly lightweight. The additional features also make it user friendly and preferable to most business practitioners. So that was all about the Blackview Acebook One laptop. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment down below to let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this one.